Good morning people, and welcome to my food vlog. I've just received a new kitchen gadget which I've had my eyes on for a while. So this is the Pressure King Pro 8-in-1 digital electric pressure cooker. Having seen many positive reviews on this product, I wanted to get hold of one for myself to see how good it really is. Amazon currently has this on sale for under £50. Links are in the description in case you want to pick one up for yourself. Now this pressure cooker can cook up to 90% faster than conventional methods. You have a 3-litre capacity, but this is also available in a larger 5-litre size. Not only can you pressure cook, but you can also saute, brown, slow cook, steam, and even warm up food. Furthermore, you can cook a wide range of different foods such as pasta, meats, soups, stews, fish, rice, chicken, curries, and a lot more. And with that being said, let's get it out of the box and see what it looks like. So as soon as you open the box, you will see some paperwork, user manual, and a very handy recipe book with some nice looking illustrated recipes which look pretty simple and easy to follow. So here it is people, the Pressure King Pro. So it feels very solid and durable. It's made from metal and you have all your simple controls with an LCD display on the front. The lid can be removed with a simple twist clockwise. The handle itself is made from plastic and inside you have a metal interior. Again, it feels very durable and built to last. And inside there is another bag containing a spatula, a small measuring cup, and your power adapter. Furthermore, inside you will find a removable metal bowl, and this looks like it's made from copper. So that is pretty much it. You just put the metal bowl in, add your ingredients and water, etc. Close the lid and you can have yourself a meal ready in no time. So that was my quick unboxing video for the Pressure King Pro. I love my kitchen gadgets and I'm always trying to find a quicker and better way of cooking things, especially in the busy world we live in. I don't have time to go in the kitchen and cook old school style, although I do miss it. I will certainly be making a lot of different foods in this pressure cooker, and I am very interested in seeing what this can do. So expect a lot of videos on this product coming up soon, and you will see for yourself what the results are like. So make sure you like, subscribe and stay tuned as there is lots more coming up on this channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Chigs and I'm signing out. Bon appetit.